All right, everyone. Here we are with ticker symbol XSPA, Xpresspa Group Inc. And before we get started, I do want to state some things. If you learned something new, subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, hit the like button to let me know you watched it and enjoyed this video. I always appreciate that from you guys. And also your comments. That is very meaningful to me. And anybody that has any other information that they would like to share, you're more than welcome to share it down below. So this became very bearish to the point that it became so bullish towards the end of the day that it broke through today's resistance level. That was incredible. That was an incredible run. So this changed completely towards the end. Obviously, this chart was going to look different. If this ending turnaround didn't happen, we would be looking at a resistance level at about down here, somewhere in this area. But our resistance level right now is the highest point that it reached, because even though this is one candlestick, the price closed out at $4 and it was rejected at this point. So our first key indicator here of how much more bullish this is if this price breaks through the highest point that it reached within that time, and that was 415. If this can be broken and used as support, new resistance levels can be broken over time due to that. And also it will maintain this stock over the 50-day moving average, giving it a bullish chart, right? And once it turns bullish, obviously resistance levels are much easier to be broken than when it's in bearish grounds. So this necessarily isn't right now bullish because it's $4, because even though it's $4, our 50-day moving average is $3.98. I'd write that down. It closed out at $4. That's only a 2-cent difference. So the real tug of war will be seen tomorrow, and we're going to see who takes control over this one. And the last thing is our support level, and this was the lowest it reached in the later afternoon as it started to bring itself back up, and that's 372. So we have a very wide range here, and there's a lot of uncertainty on this one. So if this falls below the 50-day moving average of 398, obviously now you're in bearish grounds, and the bear's goal is to break through the support level to bring this one further away from the price. So that is something that I would keep a very close eye on if it's getting closer to this price. But there's a lot of uncertainty, a lot of room here, and the tug of war is going to start off right in the middle. So we're really going to see who wins. If this falls below the 50-day moving average just slightly, with like 390, then you could start to see that the bears are gaining the leverage. Now, I won't say that the bears have completely won, but obviously as it starts to move closer to the support level, then you'll start to see this further away from the 50-day moving average, meaning that the bears are gaining control. So there's, like I said, a lot of uncertainty on this one. This is something to pay close attention to from the beginning of the day and see how it reacts with the market, because it's smack on the 50-day moving average, and there's no true saying whether the bulls are gaining this one or the bears. All I can tell you is that the bears destroyed this throughout the day, further away from the 50-day moving average, and the bulls reappeared, bringing themselves above it, but it got rejected very quickly towards the end of the day and closing at $4. So that's not a good sign either of how much more could this handle. Are the bulls already exhausted? That was all they were able to do. That's the question. So this is going to be a very interesting one to pay very close attention to tomorrow. And as always, if you learned something new, subscribe to my channel. And if you like this video, hit the like button for me to let me know you watched it, and share this with your friends and community.